Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration HF15RZE, Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PSD/cab limited van. Factory fitted crew cab, it's done 112,000 miles, excellent spec, it's got a full service history. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen, tow bar. A nice SWB example of a factory-fitted crew cab in great condition with below average mileage. This solid 2.2 is real good value for money. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. No VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.